Happy holidays everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy. I took the plunge. The prettiest things come in the smallest package. So here I have my wishlist item. I've actually secretly been wearing it for a while now, only here and there for this special occasion, because I promised myself that this would be my Christmas gift from me to me, and so this is super exciting. I can finally reveal it. This past year, including last year, was really spendy, but this came back in stock and I really did not want to miss out again, so I decided to just buy it and pay for it over time. In fact, today is all about jewelry, and I'm sure you've noticed all the gorgeous pearl jewelries I have on today is from Gingerberry. Actually, I have also this gorgeous diamond ring. This stunning necklace is called IRIE. It is a AA pearl grade 3 to 8mm Aurora pearl necklace with sterling silver clasp. It is one of the most versatile and prettiest necklace that I've ever laid my eyes on. I'm wearing it kind of asymmetrical with the clasp showing on the side. You could also wear it more of a traditional layered necklace. Third way is you can wear it with the clasp as the centerpiece, so this is almost like a pendant piece. The fourth way is extra fun. You can twist this necklace. Fifth way, wear it as a long necklace. It is such a perfect layering piece over blouses or over turtlenecks. If you also get the matching bracelet, you can attach the bracelet onto this necklace and make it an extra longer double-stranded necklace. Just to show you how well thought out their designs are, it is absolutely genius. You just open it, snap it back together to close. Pearl bracelet called Iris is just as spectacular. These pearls are also AA pearl grade Aurora pearls, consisting of 3mm pearls and 8mm pearls. The best part yet is that this bracelet comes in 3 different sizes. I was so happy about this because you all know that I have baby wrist problem, that usually only the very smallest size of bracelets fit me. Now I have it stacked with my extra small Tiffany lock bracelet, which for reference, my pearl bracelet is 15 centimeters. You can also make it into a little choker. I love it when my pieces are so versatile. This is the Fearless ring. It features AAA pearl grade Aurora pearl, 7 to 8mm wide. This ring is a sterling silver ring with an open design, which allows you to adjust the size from 6 to 8 US sizing. Especially when you're already wearing pearls, it really just goes with the whole vibe. These are the ROCOCO earrings featuring AA pearl grade Aurora pearls, ranging from 3 to 7mm wide and 18 karat gold. So Parisian, they are stunning, they're really comfortable. You guys know that I have very small piercings as well. This is the Aurelia ring, 0.77 karat lab grown diamond with VS clarity, D to F color, and 14 karat gold. It is perfect as an index ring, as you can see here. It's also perfect as a stacking ring. I love the little bubbles. They taper from larger little bubbles to smaller bubbles to the back of the ring. My ring collection is so specific. I choose styles that are really interesting designs, but they all complement each other. I am such a big fan of Gingerberry as a brand. They make beautiful, high quality, high craftsmanship. I love that their jewelry are so modern, functional, timeless. Their quality and value is comparable to Mimico for pearls at 1/5 of their prices and 1/3 to half of the price of mainstream brands for lab-grown diamonds. You can rest assured with their free worldwide shipping, 30-day easy return, as well as duty-free shopping. You can use my coupon code AMY15 to stack on top of the current Christmas promotions. I'm gonna have every single piece linked down below so you can check them out. Of course, the main event. I'm sure most of you would already know what this is, because if you've been watching my videos, you know my wish list. It hasn't really changed. If you remember, it is the piece that I've been talking about this whole time. So much time has passed that I was just ready. I just needed to get it out of my system. And here we go. To reveal the Kelly Chaine Bracelet. Like I mentioned, I did purchase this piece some time ago. I've been keeping it in the box for most of the time. There was a few events that I was invited to, so I wore it. It's also allowed me to sort of get a feel of how this stacked with what I currently own. Let me take it out. Mine is in the yellow gold Kelly Chaine bracelet, otherwise known as Kelly Chaine, which is just the French pronunciation, but it basically means the Kelly Chaine bracelet. It features these links as part of the bracelet, and then the beautiful diamond Kelly lock. And this Kelly lock is fully functional. You can turn the little turn lock. This is probably one of the most fun part and intricate part of this whole bracelet. And then it just comes off just like the Kelly lock, basically. This bracelet features a total of 0.62 carats of little diamonds. There's a little bit on this side and then the majority on this side of the clasp. Bigger links followed by circle links as well. I decided to take the plunge this year because I've been talking about this bracelet for years. I think I've been trying this bracelet since 2023. So it's been 3 years of me considering this purchase. It might even have been from 2022 actually. And the only main reason why I didn't was because of sizing. Now, the sizing issue is still there. I still have a sizing problem with this bracelet, but like I said, I got so tired of just missing out on this bracelet because they do sell out every time we get any stock. I just didn't want to stomach another price increase. And I was also told that we will never get the size extra small in stock because that's just not a size that we order in Canada, even though which is ironic, even though after I bought this and already started wearing it, I saw the extra small size on their website. Anyway, it's too late now. What my essay told me is that a lot of clients, despite the size, they still end up buying the larger size anyway because they'll just send it back to Paris to have it shortened, which is something that I could consider at one point. So just to show you, see how if I remove one of the larger link, so I'm grabbing one link, right, and I'm twisting it a little bit just to show you if they did indeed have the size extra small in stock, it would just look like this and it would stack literally perfectly. But apparently a lot of clients with tiny wrists also just end up buying this size. I'm not sure if they're also stacking it or if they're just gonna send it away, except that's always gonna take a long time because anytime we send anything away to Paris to fix or to repair, it at least takes a minimum of 6 months. So I know I will be without my bracelet for months if I did send it away, and it will still cost me another $200-300 allegedly. It's still they don't do it for free. So that's sort of, I guess, the sucky part about the stock sometimes at Hermes Canada. It's just frustrating, but that's also an option for me. I can definitely still send it away and have it shortened if I want to eventually. My love bracelet, since I have the narrow version, I feel like this Kelly bracelet is just the perfect layering piece, because I also tried on the bangle version and that looked really way off compared to my current bracelet, which I've had for a long time. I never remove it. And that's also something that I loved about the Kelly Chaine design, that it is removable, really easy to do as well. You just turn it and then take it off. It's definitely one of my favorite features. I've also noticed that a lot of times they'll end up facing down as well, which I guess it's kind of like a cool look. Like you just kind of nonchalant wear your bracelet. It's just there. It's just there. It moves around. It's not the perfect layering piece for me just because I couldn't get the XS. But I kind of like it. I don't know, maybe because I have to like it. It will definitely get scratched all over the underneath because I already see a lot of scratches from just a few times I have worn it. But the good thing is that the diamond part, the face, the front part, you can't see any of the scratches because it's just all the diamonds there. And that's why I like this version of this bracelet more than the plain with just the 4 diamonds. That's essentially why I've always had my eye on this one. I am also interested in the necklace version, but for me the bracelet takes priority just because, I don't know, I feel like if it's on my arms, I don't always have to take it off. On my neck, I always have to take it off. I feel like cost per wear, I'll definitely get more out of a bracelet, and I love just looking at my jewelry sometimes. If it's on my arms, I can see it more. If it's on my ears and on my neck, I'll always take it off when I come home. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit-chat haul. It's all jewelry today, which is super fun. I love, love, love jewelry, especially fine jewelry. These pieces, they are just so beautiful, so amazing. This whole set that I have on here today, absolute must have, especially me. I used to be into just Chanel costume jewelry, and I still love the look of them, but just the quality is just not even comparable. Chanel jewelry over time, because they do tarnish, they do break. The pearls will start falling off. It has happened to me. I never thought it would happen to me because I was taking so good care of my costume jewelry. It's just a matter of time, they degrade. Whereas these pieces, they stay perfect. I hope everyone enjoys their beautiful holiday season with lots of food, laughter, and just family time and a lot of rest. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you back, and I'll talk to you guys again next time. Bye!